Want more from your Citi Miles? Here's how to redeem Citi Miles at the best rate, quickly and easily. Start by purchasing a flight with any airline, in any class, to any destination. Congrats! You've booked your flight. Now let's redeem it. Step 1. Open the Citi mobile app and head to your credit card transactions. Step 2. Look for your travel transaction marked with a blue tick. Step 3. Tap Pay with Miles. Choose how much to redeem and confirm. Done. You've redeemed Citi Miles at the best rate with Fly with Miles. Fly smarter with Citi Miles. Redeem with Fly with Miles on the Citi mobile app today.